Dear students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to the biology class. Today, we are going to continue the same unit, Movements in Animals, that is unit number 19. In this session, we are going to discuss different types of movements in human being as well as other animals and different types of joints. Human can move some parts of their body in different directions. However, some body parts can be moved only in one direction. Our body is made up of a framework of bones called skeleton, which helps in the movement of the body. Some of the movements in body parts of are movement of eyelids, movement of teeth and jaws, movement of heart muscles, movement of arms and legs, and movement of head and neck. When we talk about locomotion and movement, there are three types of movements are observed among the animals. They are amoeboid movement, ciliary movement, and muscular movement. The amoeboid movement is carried out by pseudopodia, which are appendages which move with movement of protoplasm within a cell. Ciliary movement is brought about by appendages called as cilia, which are the hair-like extensions of the epithelium. Muscular movement, it is a more complex movement which is brought about by the musculoskeletal system. This type of movement is seen in the higher vertebrates. To understand more about the movements brought about by the musculoskeletal system, we need to understand what is a joint and what are the different types of joints. The point at which two separate bones meet is called a joint. Depending on the types of movement they allow, joints are classified into fixed joints, slightly movable joints, freely movable joint, and synovial joints. First, let us see the fixed or immovable joints. In this type of joint, no movement is possible between the two bones. The structures between the bones of the skull box are examples of immovable joints. The second one is slightly movable joints. Here, only very little movement occurs between the two bones. The joint between a rib and the breastbone or between the vertebrae is an example for slightly movable joint. Freely movable joints. In this type, varying degree of movements is possible between the two bones forming the joint. There are 6 major types of movable joints. They are ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, condyloid joint, gliding joint, and saddle joint. Now let us see one by one. The ball and socket joint, it is located in the shoulder and hip. It allows movement in 3 directions or 3 planes. The hinge joint is found in the elbow, knee, and ankle, which allows movement in only one plane. Pivot joint, which is found in the spine, that is neck region, atlas or axis, it provides movement in one plane. Condyloid movement, it is located in the wrist. The movement is restricted to 2 planes. Gliding movement, it is found in the spine, that is vertebral column. The gliding allows movement in 3 planes. The next is the saddle joint. It is found in the thumb, shoulder, and inner ear. The next joint is the synovial joints. A synovial joint is a joint which makes connection between two bones consisting of cartilage-lined cavity filled with fluid, which is known as diarthrosis joint. These are the most flexible type of joint. The four components of synovial joint are ligament, synovial fluid, articular cartilage, and joint capsule. The ligament is a band of tissue to connect a bone to bone. Synovial fluid is a slippery fluid to reduce friction between articular cartilage. Articular cartilage is a spongy cartilage to absorb shock and to prevent friction. Then, joint capsule is a tough fibrous tissue which strengthen the joint. The four major components of synovial joint are ligament, synovial fluid, articular cartilage, and joint capsule. Till now, we have discussed various movements in human being as well as different types of joints. Thank you.